Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here with a different video. Today we can study how to write and read all the numbers in a Roman numeral system. You can use this topic to make a presentation in your class, or you can write a paper for your magazine. Okay, we can go to the video. Before that, if you're watching this channel without subscribing, please do subscribe. The numeral system that we usually use is called a Hindu-Arabic numeral system. There we have 10 numbers from 0, 1, 2, etc. to 9. If we know these numbers, then we can read and write all the numbers. But our Roman system of numerals is built by only 7 numbers. If we know that 7 numbers, we can read and write all the numbers. We can see that 7 numbers. All you know how to write 1 in a Roman system of numerals. That is, this is 1. Also, all you may know 5. 5 is written like this. This is our 5. And 10. Then 50. 100. 100 is written like C. 100. And 500. 500 is our English letter D. 500. And 1000. 1000 is English letter M. So if we know this 7 letters, then we can write all the numbers, even a very big numbers. See, I stand for 1, capital letter V stand for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. We have some simple rules here. Knowing that rules, very simple rules. Knowing that rules, then we can get all the numbers. You know how to write 2. 2 is written like, this is our 1. Again 1 after this 1 will give 2. And 6, how to write 6? 6 is, this is our 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. This is 6. We write 6 like this. So the first rule is, a symbol placed after another of equal or greater value adds its value. Here to get 2, we know 2 is 1 plus 1. That is, we placed 1 after 1. Then it added the value. Here we placed 1 after 5. 5 is a value greater than 1. We placed 1 after 5. That adds 5 and 1 to get 6. This is 5 plus 1. So first rule we can write. So a symbol placed after another of equal or greater value adds its value. Next, see how to write 4. 4 we write like this. 1 and 5. Or we can say 4 is 5 minus 1. And how we write 9? 9 is 1 and 10. That is 10 minus 1. So here to add the value, we placed the value after the value or at the right of the value. Here to subtract, we placed the value before the value or at the left of the value. So the second rule is, a symbol placed before one of greater value subtracts its value. Here 5 is greater than 1 and 10 is greater than 1. So before the greater value, we can place the smaller value to subtract the number. So the second rule we can write. So these are the 2 basic rules or important rules. All other rules comes automatically. See how we write 3 and 4. 3 is equal to 1, 1, 1. This is 3. And 4 is, we know, 5 minus 1. Why we don't write 1 4 times? So that is another rule. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. How will we write 20? 20 is equal to, we know 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Then we can write 20 like this. And 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10. We can repeat 3 times. This is 30. Then how will we write 40? 40 is equal to 50 minus 10. We cannot repeat 4 times. So we can write, we know 50, 50 minus 10. That is, to subtract the value, we write at the left of its value, or we place the value before that value, before the greater value. Here 50 is greater than 10. So we can write, this is 40. So the next rule we can write, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. One more thing, 5, 50 and are never repeated. 10 is 5 plus 5. So we introduced a new number to 10. Or we can say 100 is 50 plus 50, but we introduced a new number C. Like that we can say 1000 is 500 plus 500, but we introduced a new number. So 5, 50 and 500 are never repeated. We can write 5, 50, 500 are never repeated. So this much things enough. Next we can try to write all the numbers in Roman system. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 is we have I, the letter I. 2 is 1 plus 1. That is, we can write I again to the right to add this number. So this is 2. 3 is 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3. 4 is, we cannot repeat more than 3 times. So 4 we can write 5 minus 1. 5 we have, so 4 is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 1 is written to the left of 5. That is, this is 5 minus 1. We have 5 is this one. We can write 5 and 10. Now 6 is 5 plus 1. That is 6. 7 is 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1 plus 1. 8, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 9 is, we cannot repeat a number more than 3 times. So 9 we can write 10 minus 1. That is 1 to the left of 10. This is 9. Like that we can write 11 is equal to 10 plus 1. That is 10 and to the right 1. 12 is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1. To the right 2 times 1. 13 is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 14 is equal to, we cannot repeat more than 3 times. So 14 is 10 plus 5 minus 1. 14 is 10 plus 5 minus 1. That is 10. Then 5 minus 1 is 1, 5. 15 is 10 plus 5. That is 10 plus 5. 16 is 10 plus 6. Like that we can write 10 plus 7, 18, 10 plus 8, 19, 10 plus 9, 20, 10 plus 10. 20 is 10 plus 10. Up to 30 we can write the same way. Then what will be 30? 30 is 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 10, 10, 10. To the right of 10, 2 times. 40 is, we cannot repeat 4 times. So we can write 50 minus 10. 40 is 50 minus 10. We know 50 is equal to, we can write 50. We already have 50 is equal to L. So 50 minus 10 is to the left 10. That is 10, 50. 50 is L. 60 is equal to 50 plus 10. That is L 10. To the right 10. 70 is equal to 50 plus 20, 10, 10. 80 is equal to LXXX. 90 is equal to, we cannot repeat 3 times, therefore we know 100 is equal to C. So 90 is 100 minus 10, that is to the left of C 10x, that is XC. This is 90, this is 100. How will you write 101? 101 is 100 plus 1, that is C to the right 1. Like that 102 is C to the right 2, etc. How can we write 110? 110 is equal to 100 plus 10, that is C to the right 10. Like that we can continue. Then how 200? 200 is equal to, we have 100, 100 plus 100 is 200, that is C. 300 is C. And 400. We know 500 is equal to D. So 400 is 500 minus 100. So 100 is C and 500 is D. So to the left of D, C. So 400 is CD. Like that 600 is equal to 500 plus 100. 500 is D and 100 is C. So C to the right of D. This is 600. Like that we can write 700 is equal to 500 plus 100 plus 100, that is DCC. 800 is equal to DCCC. Now 900. We cannot repeat 3 times. So we have 1000 is equal to M. So 900 is 1000 minus 100, that is C to the left of M. CM. How will you write 1001? 1001 is 1000 plus 1, that is MI. Like that 1002 is MI 2 times. 1000 plus 1 plus 1. Etc. Like that 1900. 1900 is 1000 plus 1000 minus 100. That is 1000 is M. 1000 minus 100, that is CM. And 2000 is 1000 plus 1000, that is MM. What will be 2000 and 100? 2000 plus 100, that is 1000 plus 1000 plus 100. M. 100 is C. MMC. 2100 we can write MMC. 3000 M 3 times. M. How will we write 4000 and 5000? So we have one more rule. A bar placed over a number, multiply its value by 1000. So 5000 we can write 5 into 1000, or 5000 is 5, a bar placed over a number, multiply its value by 1000. So 5000 is this. So what is 6000? 6000 is 5000 plus 1000, that is 5000 plus M. Or 4000 we can write 5000 minus 1000, that is M. 5000, 5 bar, V bar. From these numbers you may notice something, that we already told that 5, 50, 500 are never repeated. Like that they are never written left of a symbol of greater value. See here 5 is written left of, but of a smaller value. It is never written left of a greater value. You can see. Like that L and D, 50 and 500 are also never written left of a greater value. Here 600. But D is written left of C. C is less than D. So it is written left of smaller value, not greater value. Also another thing, the symbol 1 or I is subtracted from 5 and 10 only. You know the 4, C4 subtracted from 5. 1 is subtracted from 10 here, 9. Like that, 1 is subtracted from 5 and 10 only. No other thing you can see. Here see 101. Here 1 is added to 100, but 1 is not subtracted from 100. Like that, 10 is subtracted from 50, 100 and 1000. 10 is subtracted from 50, 100 and 1000 only. You can notice. Not from 500. So to write all these numbers, you should know this 7 numbers and 3 rules. That is, to add the number, we are placing the number to the right. And to subtract the number, we are placing the number to the left. And a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Only that 3 rules is enough. We can see some more examples. Try to read and write. Try to write these numbers by yourself. See 42. How to write 42? 42 is 40 plus 2. Then 40. 40 is 50 minus 10. That is 50 minus 10 plus 2 is 1 plus 1. That we know. So we can write 42 as 50 minus 10. 50 is L. 10 is X. So X to the left of L. That is, this is 40 plus 1 plus 1. This is 42. Now 69. 69 is 60 plus 9. What is 60? 60 is 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10 plus 9 is 10 minus 1, or we know 9. 1x. 10 minus 1. That we need to write. This is equal to 50 is L, 10 is x. So Lx, x to the right of L. 60 plus 9. 9 is 1x. So this is 69. Next we have 98. 98 is 90 plus 8. Or we can say 90 is 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 plus 8 we know. 5 plus 3. Or we can write 5 plus 3. So this is 100 minus 10. 100 is C. 10 to the left of C. That is x to the left of C. xc. 90 plus 8. So this is 98. Next C, 250. 250 is 200 plus 50. 250 is equal to 200 plus 50. Or 200 is 100 plus 100. 50 we have L. So 100 we have C. 200 is CC plus 50. 50 is L. So this is 250. Now 380. 318 is 300 plus 10 plus 8. 300 is 100 plus 100 plus 100. That is C, C, C. 3 times we can repeat. Then 10 is x and 8. 8 is 5 plus 3. This is 8. So this is 318. Now 486. 400 plus 80 plus 6. 400 is 500 minus 100. That is 100 is C, 500 is D. So 400 is CD. CD. And 80 is 50 plus 30. 50 is L. 30 is 10, 10, 10. L, 10, 10, 30. 6 is 5 plus 1. So this is 486. Now 1200. 1200 is 1000 plus 100 plus 100. 1000 is M. 100 is C. 2 times 200. Now 2401. 2000 is 1000 plus 1000. That is MM. 400 is 500 minus 100. 500 is D. 100 is C. So 400 is CD. and a 1. 1 is just a 1. So 2401. MMCD1 I. Now just hide this Hindu Arabic numeral system and try to read these numbers. Try to explore more examples. We can see more bigger value. We have told that a bar placed over a number, multiply it by 1000. So what is 10,000? 10,000 is equal to 10 into 1000. That is 10 bar. Like that 20,000. 20,000 is equal to 20 into 1000. That is 20 bar. So this is 20,000. And what is 40,000? 40,000 is 40 into 1000. 40 is 50 minus 10. That is XL. So this is 40,000. What is 50,000? 50,000 is 50 into 1000. That is L bar. What is 90,000? 90,000 is 90 into 1000. 90 is 100 minus 10. That is XC bar. And what is 1 lakh? 1 lakh is 100 into 1000. That is C bar. Like that 2 lakh we can write 200 into 1000. That is C bar. So we can write any value by studying only this 7 numbers and some rules. So this is all about Roman system of numerals. So if you find this video interesting, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.